Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the one of the multinational organization that is a Cisco. And friend, you can see here after completion of this virtual internship program, you will get this type of certificate also. And friend, this certificate has a great value. It will increase your knowledge as well as your make the resume stronger. So friend, please complete this virtual internship program. We are going to check the all the details, what is the eligibility, what things you will learn and how you have to apply for this virtual internship program. So please watch the video complete. So friend, if you don't know about this Cisco company, so let's check first. So you can see Cisco is an American multinational organization company, and friend, they are having their headquartered in San Jose, California. And friend, Cisco develops, manufactures and sells networking, hardware, software, telecommunication equipment and other things. So friend, basically it is the technology company. And friend, you can see you will get this type of certificate. So let's start the video. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the All India Council for Technical Education. So friend, Cisco is providing this virtual internship program in collaboration with the government of India. And you can see here Cisco virtual internship program 2024. And friend, you can see here the virtual internship. You can see the last date for this virtual internship program is you can see 15th April 2024. And friend, you can see here the total duration of this internship. You can see 2 months is given. And you can see here about this program is given. You can see AICT have launched the latest phase of their internship program, and the initiative aims to offer virtual internship in networking and cyber security through Cisco Networking Academy. And friend, it is affiliated partners. And you can see here the collaborative endeavor between this industry as well as the government is designed to cultivate a skilled talent pool for the technology sector. So these are the things are given, friend. You can read. I have given the link in the video description box, so you can check it. So let's check the one of the important thing, that is what is the eligibility criteria. So you can see students enrolled in first, second, and third year engineering or technical degree or diploma programs from the institutions affiliated with the Cisco Networking Academy are eligible to participate. And friend, institutes interested in joining the Cisco Net Academy can apply for membership also. So registration process, you can see interested students must complete the registration process on the AICT internship portal. So how you will do? I will provide the information at the end of the video. So next, you can see the course completion. Students will be required to provide a proof of course completion, a link to digital badges. And you can see industry sessions. Selected students will have the opportunity to attend the Cisco industry sessions. And project submission. Upon completion of the project work, student must undertake the final quiz as a part of the submission process. And eligible, you can see a certification. Eligible students who fulfill all above mentioned criteria will receive the virtual internship certificate. So you can see final year students are not eligible for this program. So please make a note of that. So what types of perks you will get, friend? So you can see if you complete this internship, you will receive an internship completion certificate based on the quality of work you will get. Then friend, you can see here who can apply for this virtual internship program. So any graduate, any specialization from any branch, and you can see are available for the duration of 2 months and have a relevant skills and interest. So friend, these are the things are given. So before going to check the how you do the registration process, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship and technology related video. So please subscribe InfoRosan. So friend, you can see here after completion of the certificate, you will get this type of certificate, and this certificate you can use in your LinkedIn profile and also for applying the jobs. So friend, you can see here for applying this internship, you have to click on this I am not robot, and then you have to click on this apply now. Once you click, then you will come to this page, and you can see here, here you have to do the first registration. So you can see you have to click on this register now, and then you have to provide that you are the students, or you have to select that one, and then you have to say AICT affiliated organization. So you have to click on that, and then you have to provide your university or college name, then some other details like your first name, last name, contact number, email ID, student ID, then your Aadhaar card number. Then these are the questions you will means you have to provide the answers. Then your gender, category, last past course. So after providing this information, friend, you have to review your information. Then you have to complete the registration process. And once you do the registration, then you will receive a mail regarding the confirmation of this virtual internship program, and then you can start this program and get the certificates. And friend, if you have any query regarding this virtual internship program, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe info